the activities.
Yeah, you can show. Yeah. So now Jain sir will give how to do all the active anger management tips and tools. Uh, okay, so whatever you saw on the
Kindly
slide,
all the participants put on the camera. All
sir.
the participants put on the camera. First thing is empty chair method. This empty chair method is called as Gestalt therapy. We can apply this method to them. If one situation occur, very painful situation occur, and we can't be able to express our emotion to them, that emotion. To remove that suppression, just take two chairs and kept in the opposite way. Just take two chairs in opposite way. Put one paper and note the person's name. Which person create a more hurt us? Just note the name of the person and just paste it in the that chair. Then we can sit the one chair. Take 10 deep breath. Deep exhale and deep inhale. After deep breath, take little water, that is normal water. Drinks little water, close your eyes and imagine that situation, the person hurt. That situation, just imagine. Same way, just imagine that the person is sitting in front of opposite chair. In front of me, the person was sitting. Then start to, you can use any kind of bad languages. Just imagine the person was sitting in front of me and use maximum bad languages. Not in a simple way, maximum. After finishing, this emotion will be ventilate. You will become free. Then change your seat. You can sit opposite chair. Close your eyes and imagine that person will be sitting, was you, and you are sitting opposite chair. You will become that person and just compromise. Without my knowledge, I done something wrongly, so please pardon me. This is the method called as empty chair.
Can I rephrase it so that participants understand more in other way, a better way? Is it okay, sir? Can I do it again? Rephrase what you have told?
Yes, yes, no problem.
Yeah. Are you all okay with English or you all looking in Tamil? I'm okay with both. So first I'll go with English. So first, what we have to do is put two chairs. Okay. So whatever conflict you have with the other person, it can be your wife, it can be your husband, it can be your mother-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law, whoever in the world, it can be your boss. Okay. So imagine you close the door of the room before you do this process. Put two chairs. Okay. On the other chair, you can name as he said. In this chair, you take one chair and sit. Do whatever he told. Breathe in, drink water, and do all that. Then get into that conflict. Whatever the problem, what he told or what you told, imagine that point of where the stress happened. Then bring that imagination again. Then once you think that, your anger will start building up. The moment you get the anger, use all bad words. Here, the point we are stressing to use the bad words is because that's the emotion we are holding, thinking that if I use a bad word, if I use a 4-letter bad word to a person, then I am not a good person. That's internal self-critic you are going inside. Put aside all the self-critic, throw the bad word. Whatever in your mother tongue, when language, any language, throw it out. The moment you throw it out, then drink water, then take the other person, sit in that person's chair. I mean, you are taking the role of the other person. Say first, if you are doing with a boss, so you're sitting on the chair, you think that the boss is there, and empathize. The why we are asking to do with that chair is because you sit in his position and understand why he did that to you, why she did that to you. So you understand them better in that chair. because you're putting down your ego here, you're moving on to that chair and sitting and seeing from that person perspective. Okay, once you do that, you will understand one. See, all this time you might be thinking I'm the correct person, but he might told such things because he might have warned you, because you would have go wrong. He would have given you cues not to go wrong. So you would have not picked up that. But the moment when you sit in that chair, that will come to your mind. That thought will come to your mind. Okay, my boss would have told this because he don't want me to fail. That you will get aware of. So you understand and empathize him better. Then you can come back to the chair, forgive the person, and also say to the person, I am sorry for giving you. You forgive me. Do this process, complete it, and then you can come out. So get into the conflict, throw the anger, then forgiveness has to happen from both sides. Yes, you did. I understand it's for my good, but that time I was little hurt. I was very much irritated. So forgive me, and I'm also forgiving you. Do this, complete this, then come out. Okay, sir, Jain sir.
Yes, yes.
So
And any conflict with mother-in-law, with the mother-in-law, just remove law. Just consider as a mother. There is no conflict. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is method clear?
Yeah, any
Yes.
doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Yeah.
First,
So,
you can experience after this class. Then you will be get some doubts. If any doubts, you can call. No problem. 24 hour my mobile is open. Either you can call or you can give a WhatsApp. No problem. In group, I am also there. First, after this class, you can experience what is happening. Second thing is Bruce Lee method. The boxing champion Bruce Lee, while entering the ring, he want to remove all the frustration, all the anger to that person. If one kick will be occur, the person become die. To avoid that, and it's make a competition. Just take one scribbling pad along with the ball pen. Just imagine that person's name or that situation, which is that person has which situation that create the conflict. Just take one ball pen. Don't take a hero pen, or don't take Parker pen, fountain pen. That will be create more problem. Don't take pencil. It is more suitable pen, ball pen. Then just take one notepad. Just imagine that situation and start writing the situation or start writing his name this way. Only scribbling, non-requirement write the name. After completing the name, remove this paper and put fire. You can take one matchbox, put fire. Just hold the papers straight way. The fire will be go up. When we can't able to hold the paper properly, we feel the hot. Just throw the paper down. This method is called as Bruce Lee method. Same way, we can scribble a paper and hold the paper. First tear, then kept both are hold together. Again. We want to make it a maximum tiny piece. Finally, this is the activity. We can't able to tear step by step. That much pressure will become. So we will tight our teeth and same breathing. Excessive breathing will occur. Till the small tiny pieces step down the floor and press with our legs. Finally, we can put in the toilet and flush the toilet. Which method is required? That method not required to apply all the methods. Other one is punching bag. This
one doubt, Jain sir. So the scribbling part we understood. So we also do the same way writing it, right? I mean, we write about the incident and then tear it and burn it and
No required to
not
write.
required. But
Just write the person.
can people write it out?
Only the person, that is only scribbling. No
Yeah.
required.
Okay. Okay.
Just apply the pencil, pen, ball pen, and scribbling something. No require the emotion, the person's name. Not require the situation what the conversation occur. Just imagine and do the exercise. Okay.
Okay, sir. Any doubts you can ask. We will take it later. We'll finish it. Okay.
Next one is punching bag. This punching bag is available from the sports shop. Just collect one set punching bag along with the gloves. Fill with cotton waste. Don't fill with the sand. If we have put the sand, it will be damaged. That much pressure will be occur when they are punching. And don't hanging the bag. If it is hanging, it will be moving. We want the still position. Just tie within the, this window, nearby window, anywhere. Then close your eyes and imagine that person was the person which create this kind of emotion. Just imagine this was the person and just punching the bag, not like this. One hand in our chest, other hand in the back. This kind of breathing is required. 21 times into 5 sets. After completing 21 times, take 1 minute rest, then continue. Then continue 5 sets, take 10 minutes rest. Lay down the bed or floor without AC, without a fan. Don't work with AC or fan. In the room temperature is required. After taking the rest 10 minutes, take 1 glass of water by sip, not only normal water. And in sports shop, this kind of clip also available. Purchase 2 clips and press together, not like this way. We want to touch both sides together. This one spring type also available. We can strengthen the pressure maximum, so we can't able to move. So everything if you are doing, breathing is required. And if the person have suffering headache, and that headache not because of physical problem, emotionally problem, that is if we are suppressing the emotion, it will affect like as a headache. To remove that emotions or to remove that headache, we can apply one method is called as anger reversal technique, ART. To applying that ART, sit in front of a wall. You can use don't use the chair, you can use the stool. We can sit straightly. If you are using the chair, we become lean. To avoid that leaning, sit straightly in the stool, remove your chappal, make your kept your leg, this feet and floor 90-degree angle. Kept our feet in the floor at a 90-degree angle. Stretch your legs tightly, and in our finger, just away from 10 centimeter away from our thighs. First hold, bend your thumb and cover with both fingers and kept like this. This is the way. Then tight your teeth, open your lips, look one point that is eye level in the floor, this wall. Open your eyes maximum and start breathing like as starting with slowly. "30 seconds.
Can they try for a minute? Those who want to try, can you?
Yeah, after completing, I will be given the instruction.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, after taking the 30-second exercise, remove your finger Kept your thighs and close your eyes and relax 30 seconds. Again 30-second relaxation. After completing the 30-second relaxation, hold the finger same way, tight your teeth, open the lips and look the one point and open the eye widely. Then this time the breathing is different, like as maximum pull, push. Continue this exercise 10 to 15 sets, morning and evening. This is also in empty stomach. After completing 10 to 15 sets, take 10 minutes rest. After completing the rest, have a little water, normal water. This is also not applying in the, we can't use AC or fan. We can apply in the room temperature. Okay, we can go for this exercise. If you have chappal, just remove the chappal. Keep your feet 90-degree angle to the floor. Hold your both hands 10 centimeter away from your thighs. Bend your first thumb. Then hold all the fingers above the thumb. Hand will become like this. Then tight your teeth. Open your lips. Look in a single point with wide eyes. Then start breathing like as release your fingers, keep your thighs and close your eyes. Take 30-second rest. After completing 30 seconds, same position, tight your both legs, keep your both hand 10 centimeter away from thighs, bend same way, tight your teeth, open your lips, look one point with wide eyes. Second breathing kind of like as maximum pull, push. Continue this method. Completing 30 seconds. Release your fingers, keep your thighs and close your eyes. Rest, take rest. What experience you are felt? Unmute your mic. What the experience?
Then only we realize we have a lot of anger.
Now, in your head, how you feel?
Yeah, after doing this.
Uh, something hot or less? After doing this exercise, how you felt your head?
Feel
Heaviness,
something,
feeling,
feel something released.
release.
Released.
So that much anger here.
So the body temperature also changes, sir. I feel
Yeah.
little colder now.
Yes, yes. And if you are not practicing these two steps in breathing, headache will be increased. The breathing two steps. One step is this is the first step. Then take 30-second rest. Then second step is this is second step. If you are not continue these two steps, headache will be increased. So we want to continue both steps, and each step we can take 30-second rest. This method practice 10 to 15 times morning and evening.
I just want to add a word here. People,
This method we can. Okay.
no, those who have BP issues, please check with your doctor and do this. Okay. This is a little bit
No.
related to your Bastrika, which please check with your
And
doctor.
in clinic, some cases, yeah, in clinic, some cases I am providing my hand to the client to express their anger. Just they will be imagine the situation, and I am given my hand. They will be hold together, and they will be created new play. Finally, my hand will be become reddish color. I know that time I know my body have the blood. That much pressure they are creating. We can't able to control that situation.
Yeah. So the other method are very safe, but with this breathing method, please check with your doctors if you do. If your BP is okay, you can do it.
No, we can apply any kind of this method.
Any of them.
Respect of the client's situation. If the person with a BP, blood pressure, or any breathing problem, we can't able to suggest this. We can give them the punching, or we can scribbling the paper. Anything we can provide.
Yeah, punching, scribbling, and writing, burning, that and all you can say if it is very safe. So this is
And,
for only for BP patients. Okay, we are suggesting. So we don't want to guide them in the wrong way. So if you have,
if we have the skipping rope, along with the skipping rope, skip 21 into 5. Everything 21 into 5. Do 21 times, 1 minute rest, again continue, rest, continue, rest. After continue completing 5 steps, take 10 minutes rest. Lay down in the either floor or bed. Now, any questions you have, okay, you can ask.
yeah, please unmute and ask. We'll take questions for another 10 minutes, 5 one by one.
Good evening, Jain sir. Sir, during that breathing process, while we intake through nose and exhale through nose only, or by mouth? Mouth. Okay, sir. For the step 2 also the same.
Same.
Okay, sir.
And if you are practicing slow breath reduction exercise, slow breath reduction exercise, just count the duration of 1. How many exhale and inhale? First exhale, then inhale, exhale, inhale. In the duration of the number will be become 15. If the person emotionally any disturbance or anxious, it will be increased. Practice continuously. Then take 1 minute exhale and inhale. Then take 1 minute rest. Again continue. Then we can come down from 15 to 3. So in 1 minute, our exhale and inhale only 3 times. If you practicing this daily, thrice in before breakfast, before lunch, and before dinner, or after 3 hours. breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Our increase. The oxygen intake will be increased. So the WBC carry to all the cells. So we can control our emotion, mainly emotion like as fear and anger, and we can tolerate the anxiety. This is also we can practice daily, thrice in a day. Before breakfast, that is compulsory. Before breakfast, before lunch, and before dinner. We can apply this exercise in empty stomach. Simply sitting a chair, just relax, and when we are counting the exhale and inhale, just counting the mentally is enough. Just count mentally. First we have exhale, 1. It will become 15. Then take 1 minute rest. Again continue. Then we can come down from 15 to 3. So in 1 minute, our exhale and inhale become 3 numbers only. So oxygen intake will be increased. This oxygen will be carries to WBC and carries to all cells.
Yeah, so that is the reason Sir is telling to exhale through mouth. When you exhale through mouth, carbon dioxide comes out a lot.
Yeah, yes.
When we do through mouth, nose, only part of carbon dioxide is released. When you live through mouth, more carbon dioxide comes out, then more oxygen gets in, you feel refreshed and calm. That's a simple scientific reason behind this.
Any other question? And in our body, normally required 15 glass of water per day. In the morning after wake up, take 2 glass of normal water. Then every 30 seconds, have half the glass of water. Before going bed, take 2 glass of water. That is normal water, not cold water. Cold water is not good for our health because we are living our country's climate is like that. Any more questions?
So please practice whatever you have learned. He has taught us 4 or 5 techniques. At least choose 1 or 2 which you feel to start with. Practice it on your pain points. Practice it on your conflicts. You can choose whichever you want. Initially, start with chair, roll chair play or scribbling. That and all you can try it out, exercise it out. Then you can jump in more on the deeper techniques. Breathing, whatever he has told, that will help you to calm down a lot. So yeah, any more questions is there we can take? I've shared the feedback form. Please, participants, please fill the feedback form. I'll also share in the WhatsApp group. You can fill and send by tomorrow. Max by tomorrow, everyone will get a certificate. So coming back. Yes, thank you, Jain sir, once again for a wonderful, easy to use, helpful session. I think whatever the tips he has shared is very useful. All that I want the participants to take away from the session, whatever you have learned, at least try this 4 or 5 tips which he has shared. That will help you a lot. Start with 1 thing a day. Start that small practice which will help you in a better way. So you will see the difference for sure. Okay,
First we want to experience.
Yeah, please. If the moment you experience, you will feel the difference. Do it. Don't live with, as you walk out of the session, don't live with. That's why we have planned it to make a very activities-based session, because we don't want to enlighten the participants with knowledge. We all know what it is, but give you some practical tips and tools so that you can use it once you go back. That's our intention of Zain sir, which he has been doing with for years now. So thank you so much, Jain sir, for helping us.
And this is my 15th session of anger management.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely to see. Yeah, I attended a anger management session. So I decided I have to bring him so that we will help people. See, especially in this Corona times, we are locked down. We are facing the people, our partners, our spouses, everyone, our mothers, mother-in-laws. So we don't have the way to let it out. We can't go out and speak to people or meet and forget things. It is, we are closed inside most of the time. So please close your door, sit in a room, practice what Jain sir has told. You can come out very calmly. And I do a lot of these practices for years now. It has given me a lot of changes in my life. I don't do it regularly. Okay, even today we go to our mentors. We take us this session to work on our anger. Finally, participants, I want to say one thing. If you all stuck up in your life, if you all say I am not growing, if you all say I'm not feeling successful, if I say I don't know what to do, I'm stuck up, then go and do one forgiveness process. Do this anger process. Tomorrow morning, you will get one beautiful creative way to work on your products or services. If you're an entrepreneur, or if you're working in a company, your problems will solve. You will see things will getting better in your family relationships. Every time, see, I have did this. Every time when I am in a problem, when I'm stuck, when I'm angry, we don't know we are angry with the person. We really don't know because it will be inside. When you sit and work only, you will know actually there is an anger. You will be smiling at your spouse, you will be smiling at your people around, but maybe you might be unconsciously carrying anger from the past. So work on this. That will open up ways for success. If you ask me, I'm a success, I am a person who helps people to achieve their goals. I say to people who comes to me when in terms of achieving their goals and success, peace, beyond success, it is someone said, I want to be self-contentment, want to be happy all the time. Then do this forgiveness process. In this forgiveness process, we all say we have to forgive people. Before forgiving, there is an anger. There is an anger, right? We have to address the anger. Address the anger, release the anger, then forgive the people. We are all not like God and saint to forgive people whatever they did to us. We are all human beings. So we have to people say that no, forgive them, forgive him. How can you forgive when you have so much of pain they have created to you? So first work on this anger, then you can forgive. Once you do this anger and the forgiveness, you will see wonderful things opening up for you. Sooner or later, you will all call up and message us saying, I got this opportunity, this came up, I got the new job. Because because anger is like, as Jain sir told, anger is like you drinking the poison. When your boss is fighting at you, or when your relative is fighting at you, you think, okay, and you come back, you take all the anger and he takes all the anger. After a month, you see him growing nicely in life. He gets all success, but you will be crying and cribbing and feeling so bad. And why the hell I am getting all this and he is super successful. She is best. Why I am facing this? He is actually okay. Because the person would have forgiven you, the person would have released anger. Maybe you might be carrying it unconsciously, not always consciously. So work on it and release it, all the past baggages, then move freely in life. See, anger is like you are carrying a baggage and walking. The everyday 5 kilo, 10 kilo, 15 kilo anger keeps on going on your shoulder. Your walking pace becomes slow. The success rate becomes slow. As you keep forgiving, you will be shedding off your weight and you can walk towards the success path. And participants, dear friends, one more thing I want to tell you. This anger is not only to particular thing happened in your life. You need to do it more number of times in your life as the time goes, as the experience gets built up. It's all like an onion. You have to keep peeling the layers. It forms. The anger from your friend forms. The anger from your spouse forms. Anger from some boss forms. It keeps forming in towards as we go through the life experiences. So you have to, how you clean your dustbin in your home, you have to clean your mind regularly. I hope Jain sir will agree to me. You have to clean it regularly.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I
So,
see slide number 19 again?
sir?
No. Ask one slide again. Okay, I'll show you.
Yeah, please share. Yeah, this is all my upcoming programs. Singapore for Tamil WhatsApp group. It's a 6-day Tamil program for women. And then those who asked, how to keep yourself positive, then I'm doing a 21-day positive thinking challenge, both for teens and adults. This is my adult program. I'll be coming up in November. Maybe this day before yesterday, one batch got over with adults. And you can approach us for one-on-one coaching session, both me and Jayan sir. We are all ready to happy to help you out. And I'm stopping my screen share, and sir, you can share your screen. Thanks everyone for participating. One slide was asked by a particular participant to explain again or show again. So it was anger related slide. Thank you, Muthu sir. Thank you. That's so nice. Thanks for that.
Is this slide?
Is this Janani? Janani, is this the slide?
Yeah, no, ma'am. I think slide number 19, if I'm not wrong.
19. That a code punishment.
Yeah, the anger is punishment that is given to us for others' mistakes, something like that. You were telling it, but
Yeah, anger is a poison, slow drinking poison to us.
It is a punishment we give to ourselves for somebody
for
else.
somebody else's mistake. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. Then Rajeshri madam ask one question. Can you unmute? Madam.
Any questions?
No, Rajeshri madam ask one question.
I don't know.
How to react to them if we see them again?
Maybe privately should have messaged.
No, no.
No, it was there in the.
Yeah. If you are practicing this session, when the situation will be occur, that is uncontrollable situation, you will start laughing. You will never feel the anger. First you want to experience this practical side. Then you will be experience what happened. Then if this situation occur again, if you are right, you are not a wrong person, you are right, then others will be given some bullying. So you can start laughing. You will never feel the anger. We know the mistake not from our side, mistake from others. We can, that is self-awareness. So first we want to create our self. So if we are know ourselves, so we will be free. Normally, the person are worried about what others think about me. We are worried about that. What others are thinking about me. Others can think anything. That is not, we are not providing the tax, or they are not providing the tax to us. So they, let them, they think anything. And if they are teasing, just imagine they are standing in front of the mirror. Why you are teasing like this? No command is required. Just say why you are standing in front of the mirror. So they know they teasing themselves, not us. For that, first we want to control our emotion. We want to able to make stable in our emotion. For that emotion, we can do the Ganapati exercise daily, 21 times, morning and evening. Along with this, any kind of this exercise, you can practice, then you can experience how the difference will occur. So which is more suitable to them, you can apply. Any kind. Not a particular method. Any which is more suitable. That method you can apply. And after this class, practice this exercise and give the feedback on group.
Yeah,
WhatsApp group.
Will be there. And actually, Rajeshwari, you will develop more empathy to the person after you do this. You will start like yeah, that happens. You start accepting the person as they are. Because this, I have experienced this. A person who had a lot of anger in terms of friendship, once you start the forgiveness and the anger exercise, now the person is in US. I have sent a cake, ordered a cake all the way from here to that person's for that birthday, for her birthday. So that much of empathy and unconditional acceptance you will develop. I could understand what you're trying to say. That is what we are trying to address in this anger session. Whatever the feeling when you see the other person, that inside anger, that will mellow down slowly once you start practicing whatever the sir has taught. So please apply all these techniques. That's our genuine suggestion which we can give both of us. That will help all of you. And Sir is always there to clear your doubts. You can talk to him.
Any confusion, just make a call.
Yeah, please. Okay, you can.
24 hours available.
Yeah, he can. You can all save his number and connect with him. And if you want one-on-one sessions to work on, then I also do a lot of one-on-one coaching. So to work on your anger and positive thinking, please do connect with any one of us. We can give you the best suggestions and tools and tips to work on. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining. Hope you all enjoyed and got some takeaways. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jain sir. Once again, so much of gratitude for coming and enlightening us and giving us such useful tips. Thank you so much.
It was really good, ma'am. Thanks for the show. It was very good.
Manasini, how do you feel?
Ma'am, you did you notice something? The participants were even from the beginning till the last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I've known, I have taken a lot of webinars. I've attended a lot of webinars, and this is the only webinar that I stayed completely full.
Actually, I was thinking that, very frankly speaking.
No. To be honest, sir, Jain sir,
Yes, yes.
I've attended. Almost my crowd, like, I'm taking lectures for a lot of colleges and all that, and my participants is minimum, like, 200, 300, and like that. This is the only place where I've seen from first till the last, all the participants were there.
Yes.
Sir, if Muthu sir is staying, then that's what I know.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
No,
I know about him.
all the person are ready to. They don't know how to release these emotions. All of them expressing these emotions.
Sir, my anger is created by me only, sir, not by anybody else, sir.
Yeah.
No, I've seen, sir. My anger is created by myself only, not by anyone else.
Okay, so to start self-love.
I will, sir, definitely.
Stand in front of the mirror, not in the,
Definitely, sir. I'll start
not
singing, sir.
outside
Don't
the
worry, sir.
window.
I'll start singing, sir. I'll be next SPB, sir. Don't worry, sir.
Yeah.
So mirror work is a very powerful exercise. Please don't underestimate the mirror work. Mirror work is the best exercise to improve your self-esteem, improve your confidence. Anything, whatever you want to talk very confidently to your boss, to your peers, to anybody, even to your wife or to your husband. If you want to say something, no. If you want to tell, practice in front of the mirror work. Mirror work is such a powerful exercise, but you need a minimum of 21 days to get that habit. So anything practice only once will not help. 21 days minimum, but 48 days is what recommended. So 48 days continuously stand in front of the mirror, speak to yourself, no matter what, you are the best. 49th day, you will be on the platform successful. And I am also the one, if you accept me seeing my profile, so much of awards, everything happened only through mirror work. My self-esteem, of course, see, every one of us have a confidence inside us. But when we meet people, they put us down and we believe that it is true. So now bring back all your confidence, do the mirror work, do the scribbling pad, punch the bag, and just rock the show. Okay.
And any conflict between husband and wife or any conflict with the mother-in-law, just apply one head massage with our 3 fingers. Start from front side, slowly massage. Not kept our finger, just a finger touch is enough. Slowly massage, upper fully, then come back, slowly come down, and after the reach end, turn your both hand behind the ear and start reach the starting point. Same apply the same method 25 minutes same day, same time in every day. If you are applying in the morning, continue with the morning. If you are applying in evening, time which time that you can choose. And if husband-wife relationship, any conflict is there, when husband ended in the sleep, immediately give one kiss between the eyebrows. Not like this, just kept your lips 10 seconds, just created one wetness. And before wake up, again provide this kiss. After 3-4 days, morning husband will be ready, he will be waken but not open the eyes because he not receive the medicine. If you apply this both in 21 days, the conflict will be normal. Manasri, how the experience? You are this field, so
It was good, sir. The techniques were something that I was actually looking forward to because theory is something that I've been learning. I really enjoyed the strategies and the coping things that you explained.
we can provide. That is
Sorry?
depends on the. We can provide lot of methods. That is, we can depends on the clients. This
Yeah.
is normal method. We can go extreme.
Hmm.
We can provide wooden rocks, 10 pieces to cut in the first step.
Yeah.
This is not easy. But the angry person can.
Hmm.
We can provide this gooseberry
Hmm.
in the teeth. Within one cut, the gooseberry will become 2 pieces. If the teeth is damaged, I am not aware. I want 2 pieces of gooseberry. If teeth will be 10 pieces, no problem. My opinion, want to make 2 pieces of gooseberry. Any kind of method we can apply, no problem. And the term depression means I provide the answer that is the sad. To avoid that sad, opposite of sad is happiness. Apply 1 piece of jalebi before, after the dinner. 1 piece of jalebi as a medicine, not a bakery food. Jalebi creates a sweetness. Sweet will be decrease the depression. This is sad.
Yeah, I also heard from a doctor who said he takes 1 piece of dark chocolate every day night. 1 piece of dark chocolate every day night he used to take.
If
So,
the dark chocolate coming
From
from
that, even my doctor said, ma'am.
what
My friend, yeah, he's like, he's this one in actually in Chennai, and he's told me the same thing also.
Mm.
there is one problem.
Mm.
This chocolate coming from outside. Okay, actually the choco is not a sweet. The taste of choco is not a sweet. They are mixing with some chemicals. And in our brain, there is an area called as chemical will be creating called as phenylethylamine, P. This creating love hormone. We are addicted with chocolate. The person have the tendency to search one love affair. So control the chocolate and increase the jalebi. Second thing is we can't able to keep the jalebi more than 2 days. The shelf life is very less. If we are kept in the chocolate, we can purchase kilo, 1 or 2 kilos. Every time we will take.
Yeah.
Jalebi, 1 piece only. We can purchase 1 jalebi and it will be divided to how many members in the home? Divided into
Yeah.
numbers.
Sir, I want 1 box, sir, not 1 piece, sir.
So it will be create the aversion. Take 10 boxes at a time without water. Don't drink water. Continuously take, then you will be never take 1 piece.
Now, there also self-awareness plays a lot of role. Yeah, the more you become aware, you start understanding what you really want. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's been 15 minutes. Thanks so much. You all been a lovely participant for staying such long time and sharing your thoughts and ideas. Thank you so much. Hope we all will take the tips, sir. Please do connect with Jain, sir, if you have anything to ask. And I'm ending the session. Thank you so much, everyone, once again. And thank you, Jain, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Just call me.